this would be the jump. On the ladder, onto the pile. I can see the snowy pile.
Go ahead.
The cop climbs the ladder. That's one. The crowd chant, ETW, the coffee dropper. Oh, that's two. Jump.
Higher.
Careful. Right. Let's bring forward from stall.
Don't jump.
I'm not.
All right, you'll slip, motherfucker.
It is. It's slippery up here.
Hold on.
My time up here.
I lost everything.
Runs down my legs.
Miles? Do you like how he runs down, right?
Yeah. So she's telling him to battle?
Mama.
Well, birthdays is really symbolic of how another year has gone by and how we've grown. No matter how desperate we are that someday a better self will emerge each point where the candle's on the cake, we know it's not to be.
Right up his ass, right?
This is who we are.
Hi,
Inevitably.
Mom. Where's Donkey? Donkey, Donkey, come on, Mama. Hi.
Funny guy, huh? Let me see if I can get him to do that.
Okay, go.
Miles. Miles. Another Giorgio. Miles. Miles. What you doing? What you doing? There we go, there's his bite on it.
Stop it!
Okay, you're jealous. Miles.
Donkey. Hey.
There you
Hey.
Because I got to intimidate, you know, when I'm on the mound. Well, the next pitch, he's right back in the same place. So, I had to play.
Get the dogs. Get the dogs.
Next thing, both pitches are clear. You know, I'll reach out between the guys in the camp, you know, in the old days.
Get him.
And as I'm trying to get loose collar over one of my teammates, you know, somebody pulls me from behind, you know, and I turned around and I looked down and, whoa, man!
Fuck you.
Okay, easy.